Sustainable future. Waste through composting, promoting sustainability and educating the school community.
The 2025 Zayed Sustainability Prize Awards Ceremony. My name is Mobre Ha Dubai and I am delighted to be your Master of Ceremonies today. Inspired by the vision of Sheikh Zayed bin Kenya, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President of Nigeria, His Excellency Paul Kagame, President of Rwanda, His Excellency Wavo Ramkalawan, President of Seychelles, His Excellency Yoweri Museveni, President of Uganda, His Excellency Shavkat Mirziyoyev, President of Uzbekistan, His Excellency Petteri Orpo, Prime Minister of Finland, His Excellency Anwar Ibrahim, Prime Minister of New Zealand, His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Vice President, Deputy Prime Minister, and Chairman of the Presidential Court, His Highness Sheikh Khalid bin Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, His Highness Sheikh Diab. I would also like to take this opportunity to invite all of our winners back to the center of the stage to join their Highnesses and their Excellencies for a group photo. Congratulations once again to all of our wonderful winners. And as a kind reminder, please keep those trophy boxes open for the best possible photo. Our winners today, changing the world. Your Highnesses, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests joining us this morning, of course, please enjoy the rest of this wonderful week. We thank you all for being with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.